Good morning, children. Children, today we have the session of lesson reading. First, I will read the lesson. Observe the pronunciation carefully. After watching the video, read the lesson once again. So, what is our lesson name? Arctic or polar climate, Tundra region. In the picture shown below, both the animals are bears, but they are different. How they are different? So, they are different in color, and these are found in Canada and North America, where these are found in polar region, that is Arctic region. So, according to the weather, the climate, they have the changes in their color, okay, and physical features. Yes. Location. The region that has Arctic climate lies to the north of Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. This region is known as the Tundra region. Places that lie within the Arctic Circle are the northern parts of Canada, Alaska, northern Scandinavia, Greenland, Iceland, and parts of Siberia. Parts of Greenland and the highlands of the area are permanently covered with ice caps. Antarctica in the southern hemisphere is permanently icebound. Climate. As the region receives very slanting rays of sunlight, winters are very long and cold, and summers are very brief and cool. The temperature is below freezing point for about 8 months in the year. The North Pole has no sunlight for 6 months during winter. In summer, though the sun never sets for months, the sun's rays carry no warmth. There are snowstorms called blizzards when wind speed reaches 200 kilometers per hour. In summer, there may be rain or sleet. The subsoil is permanently frozen. This is known as permafrost. Vegetation. Few plants can survive the severe cold here. The growing season is less than 3 months. So, the vegetation is only mosses and lichens. In few sheltered spots, stunted birches and dwarf willows grow. Reindeer feed on reindeer's moss. In the brief summer, Arctic flowers bloom. Wildlife. Wolves, foxes, musk oxen, reindeer, polar bears, Arctic hares, snow petrels, and lemmings are found here. Human occupation. A few people who live here are semi-nomadic. In Greenland and some islands nearby live the Eskimos or Inuits. They are mostly hunters and fishers. They used to live in igloos during winter and in tents during summer. Their food is mostly fish, seals, walruses, and polar bears. But in the last 50 years, there have been many changes. The Inuits have started using snowmobiles instead of sledges drawn by powerful dogs called huskies and have begun living a settled life. Speedboats are replacing the Eskimos' kayaks and rifles are being used instead of the traditional harpoons for hunting seals and walruses. Fur-bearing animals are now being reared in farms. In parts of Alaska and Canada, schools have come up. Eskimos children are learning skills to fit into the modern world. In Europe, northern Scandinavia and Finland, the Lapps have herds of reindeer that supply them with meat, milk and skin. Tribes such as the Samoyeds of Siberia and the Yakuts and the Chukchi of eastern Siberia wander with their herds of reindeer. But now they are also switching over to settled life. Different types of minerals have been found in the Tundra region. Gold is mined in Alaska and copper is sourced from Canada. Iron ore deposits found in Sweden have changed the lives of the people there. Scientists work in the laboratories set up here and study the Arctic and Antarctic geology and weather conditions. Did you know polar bears and walruses live only in the Arctic region? Penguins and leopard seals are found only in the Antarctic region. So children, this is about our lesson. I hope you understood the pronunciation, and after watching the video, read the lesson once again. Okay, we'll meet in the next session. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.